How to ask a coworker on a date. It can be challenging to ask a coworker out on a date. Although you don't want to be intrusive, you still want to express your interest in the person. Additionally, you don't want to create a tense situation at work, but you might be burning inside with the desire to ask him or her out. The reality is that office dating happens frequently and is usually accepted. You shouldn't worry as long as you approach your coworker with courtesy and respect, and as long as you both maintain the professional nature of your working relationship. However, it's always a good idea to inquire about any workplace dating policies with your employee handbook or a human resources representative first so that 1. Find out if your coworker is a single person. Make sure your coworker is actually single before approaching him or her about going on a date. This can help maintain your professional connection untouched and save you both a lot of time and embarrassment. 2. That day, try to feel and look your best. Make sure you look your best and feel confident on the day you decide to ask your coworker out on a date if you are aware that they are single. Depending on your personality, do something that morning that will either help you relax or psyche you up. Additionally, you should feel confident by dressing for success. 3. Go up to your coworker in a relaxed setting. Considerations like where and how you ask your coworker out are crucial. Asking your coworker out in the wrong situation, at the wrong time, or under the wrong circumstances could lead to tension or even hostility, even if your coworker is interested in you. 4. Be genuine. It's crucial that you behave normally while you converse with your coworker. Your coworker will know if you're anxious. Additionally, if you attempt to put on a false persona, your coworker will undoubtedly notice it and will probably be put off by it. Just keep your composure and treat your colleague with respect at all times. 5. Invite a colleague out on a date. The actual asking your coworker out on a date is the hardest part. Although it might feel very intimidating, keep in mind that you really have very little to lose. The worst that could happen is that your coworker might graciously decline you. In that case, you'll simply smile and excuse yourself. 6. Understand when to give up. You must end the conversation if your coworker has rejected your invitation to a date. Asking a coworker out on dates after they've already said they're not interested in dating you could be seen as creating a hostile work environment, which could lead to your termination. Keep in mind that if your coworker isn't into you, there are plenty of other people who would be thrilled to go on a date with you. It is not worth the time, effort, or even job loss to bother a coworker who is not interested. Last but not least, and by far the most important thing, just do it. Have some fun and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.